Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this garbage disposal air switch kit. This one here is an adapter for your garbage disposal, so you don't have to install into your wall. You just go ahead and plug it in and it's ready to use your garbage disposal. So if you have a garbage disposal and you don't have nowhere to plug it in that doesn't turn off, I would use this one right here. This is an air switch. It is an adapter for your garbage disposal. You just plug the main port into your power plug and then you plug your garbage disposal inside this adapter, so it allows you to use your garbage disposal without having to install anything in your walls. You can see right here they got the push button right here on this part, and then they have the adapter that plugs into the wall. It does come with the hose, so it's a really good size hose. This does offer it in several different colors. So this one right here that I did get, it's the matte black. They have brush stain, champagne, golden bronze, oil rubbed, and chrome. So this is the instructions manual. It is super easy to install. They do have two different sizes. They have the short, which is 2.95 inches, and a long, which is 3.6 inches. So all you have to do is just plug the adapter into the wall, garbage disposal into the adapter. This one you'll put into your sink. I did actually install this into my sink, but when I first started this out, I just connected it just to show on how great this thing works. So there is no need to install anything other than if you do have a sink that does have the holes for these extra plugins, this would be perfect. If not, you can do like I did, which I actually installed it. So this little hose right here goes right in there, and it has the little twisty top that attaches to the adapter plug, and that goes right up in there. But you want to make sure you connect that after it's up under the sink, so you'll get it a nice tight fitting. And then this here is exactly a 1.5 inch. So if you're going to install this into your sink, I would recommend a screw that goes about 1.5 inches. So this is a plug, that is the adapter, and I'm going to do is connect it to my plug. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just take this part here, plug it into your original plug. So just plug that in there. Then you'll take your plug to your garbage disposal, plug it into the front of this. So basically your garbage disposal will only work and turn on when you push the little button. Just plug it in there just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it, turn it on, so you can see how great this works. So if you're looking to install your garbage disposal without having to make any damages to your wall, I would definitely recommend this garbage disposal air switch. This is super easy to connect. You can see right here it's plugged into the wall, and I also have the thing at the top. You can install it there. If you don't want to install there, you can do on the side. But if you're looking for a nice quick way to connect your garbage disposal, I would highly recommend checking this one out.